What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dark Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. And today's a big day for the Cleveland Browns as they play the Pittsburgh Steelers. I feel pretty good about that, and got to represent right here with the Browns, busting out the brown shirt. So this was a big dividend day for me, and I'm going to go over my dividend stock buys for today. Unfortunately, YouTube was having some issues with these processing errors. And by the way, I want to thank YieldMax for the hat. So I might as well just wear it backwards while I do this video for you guys. And they're not paying me. I am not sponsored by them. So I just want to give you a heads up. They just gave this to me for free in the mail. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Smash that like button. Let's check these dividend stock buys out and dividend income out right now. So right now with the Death Star, I'm at $73,172.60. So the dividend portfolio is really rolling, and the market's taking a hit. So I'm definitely capitalizing, dollar cost averaging, and reinvesting my dividends. And Thursday, I'll reveal to you my dividend income with TSLY and my plans with my dividend income with TSLY and E-Trade and M1 Finance. Let's go over my big dividend day or days real quick. So recently, the dividend snowball effect is really kicking in. Now, I'm very disappointed in STAG. This may be another one that I sell. I go back and forth with them. Maybe I'll just throw them on E-Trade and see what happens, but I can guarantee I'll probably be selling them and really focusing on Realty Corporation. Jackson Financial, I earned $32.92. Prudential, I made $14.94. Flowers Foods, I made $14.38. STAG, 97 cents. All Rock Blue Capital Corp, $3.46. Tyson Foods, $11.48. And Wendy, $17.83. So that bought me the other day with $50 of passive income. I bought VICI Properties. Yes, I'll say VICI just for some of you guys. $23.96. NNN REIT, I made $10.44. And Bank OZK, I made $15.80. So I'm going to go over my buys today, and right at 9:30, everything's going to be bought. So this is going to be very exciting. So I will be buying, and I always dollar cost average $500. And guess what? The passive income is really helping me create the dividend snowball effect. So I throw in $500 every week. I'm hoping that TSLY and these YieldMax ETFs can help me turbocharge my dividend portfolio. I'm going to be buying $22.40 of CSWC, $23 in Truist Financial Corp, $32.13 in Starbucks, $61.68 in Medifast, $65.94 in Premier Financial Corp, $69.16 in Bank OZK, $80.30 in NNN REIT, $100.78 in VICI. I'll say VICI for you guys, and I'm buying $107.01 in Pepsi, and I'm very happy I made that purchase in Pepsi. Again, certain dividend stocks that I sell, I may rebuy. I'm considering looking at, again, Altria. I'm looking at Target again. But right now, I just like Pepsi with the move that I made. And Target, maybe if they dip even more, if I study them a little bit more, I'm a little worried about the theft that's going on and how they're doing as a retail business. Maybe they hit reality. So I'm still looking at them and watching them. I haven't completely sold on selling them. But I want to go over NNN REIT and VICI Properties real quick because I want to go over their price and their dividend growth. So NNN REIT is at a deal right now. They have not done well against the S&P 500. Actually, in 2020, they were beating the S&P 500, and they took a huge nosedive post-pandemic, and they still haven't really recovered. So I've been capitalizing on the dip. They are down 13.97% in the past 5 years. So people like me, I go in for the kill. So their average volume is 1.35 million. The market cap is 6.96 billion US dollars. The year range is 37.75 to 48.21. Its previous close was 38.17. Now their FFO has been pretty good, as you know. PE ratio isn't really a good indicator for REITs. Funds for operation is. And remember, with a real estate investment trust, 90% of what they make go back to investors. So remember that when it comes to a real estate investment trust. You always want to do your due diligence with studying REITs as well. Let's go over their dividend history. And with my dividend portfolio, I always go for a hybrid strategy where I buy high yield, low dividend growth stocks and low yield, high dividend growth stocks. So right now I'm targeting the high yielders to eventually buy the low yield, high dividend growth stocks. Now, some people don't agree with that, but this is my strategy, to use the high yielders to buy them and then change the percentage to where I can start targeting, Starbucks. I have them integrated so that I'm buying Starbucks, I'm buying Kroger, I'm buying Pepsi, I'm buying VICI. I would consider VICI Properties a dividend growth stock. I'm buying, Coca-Cola. So I have a percentage focus still on them. And I still am happy with Tyson Foods. I'm going to go over a video with them possibly this week or next week. But with the dividend growth of NNN, starting quarterly, 2011 it was 38 cents, 39 cents, so quarterly distribution. You're still getting a raise. 2012, 40 cents. 2013, 41 cents. 2014, 42 cents. 2015, 44 cents. So there is slow dividend growth. It's going up a cent a year, and it's at a discount right now. So I'm capitalizing. 2016, 46 cents. 2017, 48 cents. 2018, 50 cents. 2019, 52 cents. 2021, 53 cents. 2022, 55 cents. 2023, 57 cents. So their payout ratio is going to be a little bit high. That happens with real estate investment trust, 68%. Number of dividend increase in the last 5 years is 5. Dividend growth in 5 years is 2.13%. I'm happy with that. So if you bought one share, you made 226 with a 5.92% dividend yield. That's pretty solid right now. And I'm going to still continue to buy. There's a dip. So I'm capitalizing on the dip. Now let's jump to VICI Properties. I know I want to say Wiki because I took classical Latin, and that's the correct way to say it, so I'll say VICI for you guys. All right, let's jump to the stock. VICI Properties, 3138, average volume 3.96 million. They're actually keeping up with the S&P 500, quite impressive. Market cap is 31.80 billion US dollars. Its year range is 29.29 to 35.07. Previous close is 31.38. Let's go over their dividend history. So here's their quarterly distributions. We're starting in 2018. It was 16 cents to jump to 26 cents to 29 cents in 2019. And then it cracked 30 cents in 2019. 2020, it cracked 33 cents. They still hiked their dividend in the middle of a rough pandemic. They were hiking their dividend, which is quite impressive. So look at this, 30 cents to 33 cents, 36 cents in 2021, and then 2022, 39 cents. And they just cracked 42 cents. Sure, they have a high payout ratio. They're a REIT. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 6. Dividend growth in 5 years is 8.01%. So if you bought one share, you made 156 with a 4.97% dividend yield. That's pretty solid. So I wanted to reflect on my big dividend day. The dividend snowball effect is kicking in. And I'm going to have a video for you. The next 2 days, I'm going to discuss the YieldMax ETFs. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. And go Browns, by the way. So I'm going to jump to my disclaimer. So as a reminder, this YouTube channel is for entertainment purposes only. Do not use this in any form of financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, and it is best to seek financial advice with somebody that is certified to give financial advice or a financial advisor themselves. Investing is a risk. So you can gain money, you can lose money. So I'm just making you I'm being very transparent that you can lose money, you can gain money. So investing is a huge risk. I show you my dividend investing journey, and I show you what I buy. I provide my rationales, and this is strictly for entertainment purposes only. I want to make this clear. You should not take this in any form of financial advice. So I do own NNN REIT. I do own these dividend stocks that I mentioned. If something drastically happens or changes my mind, I will sell these stocks. So it's important that you do your due diligence when you research dividend stocks. I have lost money. I'm just making it clear. I have tax loss harvested to take a loss. But I do provide my rationales as to why I sell my stocks. I'm very transparent with that. And I hope you do very well with your investment strategies. Seek financial advice with a financial advisor and make sure you do your due diligence before you buy, sell, or trade stocks. Hope you have a good one and take care and have a great Monday.